Assalamualaikum viewers, Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful Seashell crops ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, so my first idea is seashell painted planter decoration. Decorate plant pots with seashell. Glue them around the pots. Seashell mirror frame. Glue seashell around the mirror border. Mix a different size for a rich look. And the weavers. So next idea is friends, seashell art canvas. Glue shells on a canvas to make shapes like heart or tree. Paint background for creative look. And weavers, frames, seashell hair clip. Glue smaller shells on plain hair clip. You can add pearl or glitter. And weavers, so friends, next idea is seashell jar decoration. Take a glass jar and decorate it with shells. Use it as a candle jar or storage. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon.